Hey guys, this is US Airways here. I'll open it up for you. I'll grab it there. Now I will open it up. Busting tape. Okay, let's do that tape. Now I gotta get it off my finger. So we open it up right now. Okay. Gotta get that out of the way. And here it is. I'll get the plane out for you. There it is. I'll show you the tail now, right there. The red part. I'll get everything else out for you. Luggage, right there. Another piece of luggage, right here. Back tractor right here, which I'm getting out right now. This is that piece got out. Okay, let's see. First, I have to hook this on. I'll just put it right there. Yeah, just let it stay above there. Okay. Ladder truck coming out. Okay. So, and runway sign coming right up. Right there. There you go. Cones. Oopsies. Okay. Oh, yeah, I did put that up. Stack those up for you so they'll be easier to show. Okay, so here's the cones right there. Oh, one just fell off. Okay, there we go. Okay, another sign coming up. How do we get this out? Here it is, right there. You can read it if you like. There we go. There's 3 more signs and that's it for this video. Ahead sign, it tells there's a plane ahead in the parking lot. Keep that right there. Last 2 signs. Entrance to the airport sign right there. I'll take that. Now Thanks, guys, for watching this video. See ya.